What is up, you guys? It is K-Swan with Road Rash Off-Road, and on this video we're going to be talking about something that is probably the most important thing for your off-road vehicle. We're talking about tires, specifically my 35-inch Kenda Klever tires. Now, I've been running these tires for about 3 years now, and I shot a video on this, and it ended up becoming one of my most engaging YouTube videos on the channel, with many of you asking how these tires have held up and do I still like these tires. So you can actually say that this video is 3 years in the making. But before we get into the review of these tires, let's rewind a little bit and let me give you a little bit of history about what these tires have been through. It's February 2021. My Jeep has about 63,751 miles on it, and I was itching to take it on some serious off-road adventures. But there was one problem. I needed a set of mud tires that could handle the toughest terrains without burning a hole in my pocket. You see, the economy was still recovering from the 2020 standstill, and money just wasn't flowing. That's when I stumbled upon the Kenda Klever MTs. I'll be honest, I didn't know much about these tires at the time. They weren't the big name brands that you usually hear about in the off-road community, but the price was just right. So I thought, why not give them a shot? I decided to film a YouTube video on the install and review of these tires in case anyone else was looking for an affordable option. And that video became my first ever Road Rash off-road video. Looking back, I had no idea what I was doing, and the quality was quite laughable. If you want to see that video, click the link up in the corner. It ended up being the start of something really, really special, the Road Rash Off-Road YouTube channel. Now, fast forward to now, these Kenda Klevers have completely blown me away. Over the past 3 years, I've taken this Jeep through every possible terrain. Abusive rock crawling at Gulches, Windrock, AOP, Morse Mountain, Beasley Knob, countless overlanding adventures, and tackling some deep sugary sand in Florida. I've pushed these tires to the limit, dropping them down to 12 PSI while off-roading and rotating them consistently every 6,000 miles, even rotating in the spare. And here's the crazy part. There's no significant damage. No chips, no gashes, no cuts, no anything. These tires have held up unbelievably. I never thought they would perform as well as they have. Whether it's rock crawling or deep sand, they've never let me down. I've put a total of about 67,000 miles on them, and they've outperformed everything I threw at them over the last 3 years. So yeah, those budget-friendly Kenda Klevers that I installed on the Jeep 3 years ago, and I didn't know how they were going to perform, way outdid my expectations for this tire. In fact, I am now getting ready to upgrade these to my next set of tires, and yes, they are Kendas. So you're not going to want to miss that video. Click this link right here to watch the install and review of my brand new set of Kenda tires and the wheel package I've included with them. This is going to be an amazing, amazing upgrade to the Jeep. Don't sleep on the Kendas. You guys like and subscribe to Road Rash Off-Road and click that little bell so you don't forget anything, because we are about to go on an adventure and put our new Kendas to the test. We've got a lot of overlanding, rock crawling, and exploring videos coming up, and these tires are about to get some major abuse. You don't want to miss this video. Like and subscribe to Road Rash Off-Road, and if you have any questions regarding Kenda, tires, lift, truss, Anything that you have a question about, put it in the comment down below, and I'll try my best to answer it the best I can. See you guys in the next video. Peace!